What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from Mike Guesswell, and I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, we are testing the sound output from the Sony A90J center channel. And yes, we're going to be using it in our home theater setup, which is 5.2.4 configuration. So I'm going to be disabling the center channel that I have, the Klipsch RP504C, and I'm going to connect it in the Klipsch world and use this TV, which is 83-inch screen. I'm going to use it as a center channel. And what's going to happen, that TV, you saw that terminal, the black and red, the wire is going to be connected there and it's going to go in the Marantz receiver. So that's how I'm going to unplug my RP504C and going to use the Sony A90J's 83-inch screen as a speaker. So before any delay, let's just get into it. And we have to change one thing that's in the TV settings, and I'm going to show it now how to do it. So once the wire is connected to the TV and is connected to the receiver as a center channel, and we're going to go to the settings and make sure that we enable the TV to be as center channel. So we're going to go to the display and sound setup, and there we're going to get into the audio output. And in the audio output, we have to make sure we enable the TV center speaker mode because it is disabled, so it's not going to be center channel. So you have to enable it so the TV can get that power from the receiver and can trigger that center channel, and it becomes the part of your home theater setup. So now it's good. I'm gonna go and enable the eARC mode so that sound can be played from the TV applications that we have for the Dolby Atmos, and also it can do DTS:X, so which is amazing. So object-based sound it can handle. And then I'm gonna do one more thing, the pass-through audio mode. It's by default off. I'm gonna change it to auto. And I have already done it here because I'm passing all the audio to the receiver, so the receiver can decode it for me, rather I'm doing it. So I'm gonna play some audio samples that I recorded with my Rode NTG microphone. So if you can hear the dialogues, that's how the clarity is from this TV, and literally it is hands down amazing because I'm doing this voiceover and I was inspired, but I'm not gonna use it as a center channel because I already have that big monster right there. That's what I'm gonna use it. But should you use it? Yes. If you're using the Sony's speaker system, you don't have to buy the center channel, just use the TV as a center channel and save the money there. But since I have the full setup timber match speakers, it's not a good idea to use the Sony's A90J as a center channel. But I'm not saying it is bad, it is amazing. It sounds clear, it sounds warm, but the only thing is when you have a center channel, you don't have to. But if you don't have the center channel, dedicated one, you don't have to spend money if you're getting into the Sony system. So if you have the HD099, that 4-channel system that Sony has, the immersive sound speaker system, then you can use the TV as a center channel, and that will be a great combo. Now you guys enjoy the soundtracks, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace out.
Don't worry, we're safe. There's no fighting here, no politics. The temple is known for its neutrality.
But yes, some find it more giving than others.
So, I'm your destiny?
You're much more than that, Cirilla.
That's really scary.